You know what's so crazy about this setup here is that the halo rings with the demon eyes behind it. So it has the demon eyes behind it with the LED strip, the painted black housing, the clear lenses in the back, right? You want to know what's so crazy about this one is that this one comes with a driver, right? Where it has an orange wire, but the halo rings you have to ground it. For this new one, the Prism halos, you have to ground it. So you can actually use this driver as an actual turn signal for the halo ring. So you can literally turn it into a turn signal. Like you can tap this orange wire into the halo rings. I mean, into a power port to the turn signals, and it'll make it turn as a turn signal. The halo rings. I'm telling you, this is crazy. So it's like you have the option using the Bluetooth controller. You can literally use the Bluetooth controller and use this as a switchback, the halo ring as a switchback. Like when you don't have the Bluetooth controller on, you can use the LED strip. Just like you use the LED strip as a turn signal and it strobes to the side. Now that LED turn signal, the halo rings, you can also make it stay white neutral and then turn orange as you turn. So you can use the halo ring as a turn signal. This is a customer's headlight that I did right now. Whatever, it took me a couple days to get it done, but I got it done. It's the same setup that I have. The halo rings, the switchback, everything painted, the inside and everything. Everything came out phenomenal. It looks good. It looks great. Just gotta reseal them, and that's it. And then I'm done, and I'm good to go. I just wanted to make a video to show you guys that not only is the halo rings have they improved them, the retrofit source, but they've made them better to the point where they can not only change all the colors in the diagram, but they can strobe, they can do so many different things from before, and now they can like you can use them as a switchback for your turn signals. So your halo ring will stay white and then um turn orange when you turn, like this. So right now I'm just gonna connect it to the positive port, and look, it turns orange, and then it goes back to whatever neutral color that you had it on, and that's it. Orange turn signal. So when the thing's turning, it'll do this. Just like that. And the turn signal here for this one, strobe sideways. You gotta clean up the customer's lens a little bit more. I gotta clean it up. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you guys is that that they have that where it's actually 2-in-1. So you have an option to just use the switchback that you can add on the switchback option, or you don't have to add on the switchback option. You can just leave it regular and not have to, connect the orange wire. Just put it to the side. But definitely showing you guys the setup that I did. Customer's headlight, the clear lenses in the back with the demon eyes in, the halo rings and the LED strip, and the side of the painted housing. You can change the colors if you want. Change the yellow, green, blue, orange. And they both turn colors. Or you can just, like I said before, you can stop one from changing color and just get the other one to change color. Okay, no, number two. I think anything with number two. See? Now you just change the back color for the demon eyes and leave the halo rings that color. So now it's green in the back and it's, pink in the front. Alright, just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, don't feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think.